guys, you don't know, so it's your boy Nathan.
And a girl CC.
And as you can see by the title over there, with guys, yeah.
Before we get any further, I just want to like,
share,
comment,
and subscribe.
hit the notification bell.
You see me? So when you post our next video, you will be notified, guys. Yeah.
And comment down below.
Yeah, don't forget to leave a comment. You see me? Watch the full video and watch the ads them for guys. Yes.
And turn on your notification bells.
Yeah.
For all.
Yeah, guys, just do that for me. Just stay tuned and watch out the video. Basically, guys, this video today is to show our appreciation. You see me? So we just want to take the time out to tell the whole lot thanks.
Thank you guys so much.
Thanks for 19k. You know what I'm saying? 19k is enough. You see me? We're grateful feet, but we still have a far way to go. You see me, guys? We just go and work same way and be grateful. You see me? So we just want to take the time out to tell them thanks for support we watch we think, like we think, comment. You see me? Share with your subscribe with them. If everybody where they from day one to support and them want to big up your King and Shay, Mr. Nice, Eddie, all of them, you see me?
And
big up on yourself.
mostly Father God.
Yeah, and big up to Father God because if I never them two main person there, if I never King and Shay,
Mr. Nice, Eddie, and Father God,
we wouldn't be here. So well, would I get here? So but actually no, we don't know still. But guys, we just want to say thanks to all who support me, you see me?
Yeah.
Continue to show the love and support because we really appreciate it, you see me, guys.
Just keep on supporting, guys. Really appreciate it. From reach 19k, I'm happy. I start laugh more and dead.
When we go on dead, I reach 19k.
Come feel good.
Are you on dead?
Yeah.
People want me ask, you know, to go over to Instagram, you see me? They might pop up right here, so go over to Instagram, go follow it. Just do that and support the thing, guys. You see me, I say. So basically, this video now gonna really be too long. We just telling you.
And the main thing, guys, more to watch the ads.
Yeah.
Don't skip out the ads with me long. Just
don't skip
keep
ads,
supporting.
guys. Yeah,
Please,
God,
guys.
that's the way how you support me, guys. You see me, you know, share the ads.
Pay away.
Yeah, guys, and this is how we 9 to 5 right now, so just show the support because we have tried we basically put out the work.
And we promise we are going to keep on put out the work.
Yeah, guys, don't
every
understand
day, every day.
Remember, say improvement every day, you know.
Yeah.
So we just are going to put out the hard work, you see me, one day we must reach. Well, we're not go perfect, you see, but one day we must good enough. So, guys, just remember to like, share, comment,
subscribe, hit the notification bell.
Yeah, guys, and leave a thumbs up on this video. See me, don't forget to watch the ads them for it. Yeah, guys, and just stay tuned because we are gonna keep posted. You see me, people? Don't feel like say a joke thing, guys. It's me video every day. Every day, no day can pass. I must something really bad.
Honestly, we start off back, you know.
Yeah, guys, you know, say that our main.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I just strictly videos, you see me?
Yeah,
so we're here for showing the support, so the support will back, guys. You see me? Just like up with the video them, comment, share it, and watch it ads. Please, yeah, remember to share out with channel, guys. We road to
20k.
Yeah, guys, so people, until next time.